Hello and welcome. We are Art Teacher Fusion, two art teachers sharing our classroom game changer of projecting a digital agenda. We share our digital agenda on our Google site. This is not required but helps us stay organized. As you can see, we have a home page and all the courses that we teach as separate pages. On each course page, we display the weekly agenda. I like to enlarge the agenda to take up the entire screen by clicking here. As you can see, the agenda displays the entire week. We are on block schedule, so the Art 1 agenda on Thursday and Friday will be the same. Each day has its own agenda with any important hyperlinks that I will need to access to show my students. By clicking on the links, I can easily open the files without searching all over my desktop or Google Drive to find them. Once I am finished with the presentation, I can easily close that out and click on the next link. You can make these links as view only or provide access to make edits, just like this presentation here. So for each section that I teach, I have a separate page that I can easily access by clicking on that course and seeing that agenda. The schedule stays the same for all courses, but the agenda looks a little bit different. I also like to share with my students the entire yearly agenda. I have the entire calendar year mapped out. What I like about this is that it becomes a planning book for me. I can look back at last year's calendar and adapt it to this year's calendar. I also like that students have access to this, so if they're absent, they can see what they missed. Or if they know they're going to be absent, they can jump ahead and look to see what we're doing that day. Now, you do not need a Google site to have all of this. Let me show you how this is set up. The weekly agenda is set up in a Google Slides. It has one single slide for that week. To share with my students, I go to File, Share, and Publish to Web. Once I hit Publish, Google will provide me with a hyperlink. This hyperlink becomes a live website, and I can easily share this website with my students through Google Classroom or whatever LSM your school is using. This is a live link and can only be edited through the Google Slides. We do the same thing for our yearly agenda. All it is a Google slide with all the weeks for the entire school year. When I'm ready to start a new week, I'll go to that weekly slide, I'll hit Control Copy, and then I'll go over to my Art 1 weekly agenda and hit Control Paste. And then I will delete the old slide so that my newest slide appears. And then I'll refresh my website, that Publish to Web link, and my new agenda will now appear. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy planning.